everyone, I'm Jess M, owner and founder of Themarketmade. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thank you. Do you have a swinging door that's constantly in the way and you want to change it somehow? Modify it into a barn door? I got you. I actually haven't done a project like this before, so come with me on this journey. In our bedroom, we actually had an old Craftsman style / Victorian style door that had to be either permanently opened or permanently closed. It was extremely annoying, so I decided to fix it by transforming it into a barn door. So let's talk about what you will need. First of all, read the directions on the barn door kit of what you will need. That will be more helpful. But most likely, you'll need an electric screwdriver with a drill attachment, screws, a saw, hammer or rubber mallet, a level, a barn door kit, and a stud finder. Let's get into how we modified our swinging door into a barn door. If you do have questions or comments or need help or advice about this, please comment below. I'll try to help. Let me know. Step 1, make sure your door fits the barn door kit for the thickness. Because some barn door kit hardware only fits a certain thickness of door. So before you order anything, just make sure you take accurate measurements and you're getting the right barn door kit. Step 2, figure out what you need and get the area and your tools ready. You can do this by removing the existing door and door frame hardware. Step 3, if the door frame protrudes away from the wall like mine, you will need to measure the depth of the frame and find wood or a board that is the same size / thickness. I found a white PVC board from Home Depot to match the frame so I didn't have to paint it. I cut them to size, found the studs, made sure I was avoiding electrical, and I screwed them directly into where the studs are to ensure that that would be secure. Step 4, if you need to paint the door or add wood appliques or onlays or any accessories to the door, now is the time to make it pretty. Step 5, follow the directions of the barn door kit until you get to the part for sliding brackets to stop the door. In this part, you might need to modify the height of the barn door hardware because of the existing frame and where to drill on the door. With ours personally, we actually had to raise the hardware and figure out a custom height for it. On the existing frame, there was a little lip, so we had to go a little bit higher. So make sure to double check all your measurements, look at the frame thoroughly, and really try to think it through to figure out where you would need to put the hardware. This is the part you might need some help with, so if you do have questions or concerns, just comment below. I will try to help you out. Step 6, if you plan on keeping the door handles, this is the part where the sliding brackets to stop the door come into play. You need to make sure to put the brackets at a place to stop the door handle from hitting the door frame, which could cause damage. However, if you are changing the handles to a barn door handle where it has a metal backing to it, you might not need to worry about this. Step 7, add any finishing touches you need to do, like paint, accents, if you haven't done it already. We personally aren't going to be painting or adding any accents to the door just yet because we want to do this when we do the bedroom remodel. Changing this door helped us save a lot of space, and it's actually become like really convenient for us. However, there is one snafu that I want to talk about. Because we have a really old house, our house is very uneven. So even though we leveled it, it's still so uneven for some reason that it slides closed. I plan on adding a piece and making it myself to keep the door open when we're in there. However, I don't want to make it right now. I will make it in the future. What we have right now is fine, a little ugly, but it's fine. Anyways, so take a look at our quasi-finished barn door. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. Remember to subscribe to the Themarketmade channel and click on the notification button to stay up to date on all my videos. And remember to follow me on social media at Themarketmade. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, I'm not really on Twitter, but you get my gist. I'm sort of everywhere, but I have a lot of content on there if you like DIY, home improvement, or if you just want to see like me do weird things. Follow me. And as always, thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.